Ano yung pink wall ko, guys? I transferred the perfume cabinet. And my favorites are Coco Mademoiselle, Gucci Bloom, and Jo Malone. This is now the reality, guys. Nahalungkat ko na yung 3 boxes of shoes. So, ito na yung kinalalabasan ng aking shoe cabinets. Hot chocolate. This is my walk-in wardrobe, which is already fully loaded. Puro clothes ko daw ito, sabi ni Javi. So, tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam anong gawin ko. So from here, yeah, from this side up to here, ito yung sa akin. Kasi lumitaw na yung bilo-bilo, pero hindi ito palitaw. Bilo-bilo ilang ito. Hi guys, it's Monday afternoon and I have done half of this area here, yung cabinet for bags and shoes. So I've done all the bags. Ayan. And then the shoes na lang hindi pa. Pero ipagpatuloy ko yan once hubby will give me the boxes for the shoes, especially the heels here in the right, and then the sneakers at the top. But meanwhile, another shelf, guys, na lilinisan ko, and then I'm gonna put also my perfumes here.
It is time, it's the perfect summer night. Those 3 words are spelled out in your eyes. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try.
So guys, let's see it. Yes. Okay ba? Okay. If you ask me if I use these every day, only kung lalabas ako, like going to church on Sundays, and yung work, kasi hybrid naman yung work ko. Pag pumunta ako sa work, every few days lang. Like few days in a week. So, ginagamit ko siya. I'll point out ano yung pinaka-favorite ko. Okay, ito na siya, guys. If you ask me what's my most favorite, siyempre yung itong pinaka-bago ko, itong Gucci Bloom. And yung Jo Malone.
Something new, and I never said.
Guys, gumawa kami ng bilo-bilo. Or circle. Yung bilo-bilo. And dito yung sister ko tsaka niece ko. Every time nandito sila, gumagawa kami ng Pinoy dish or Pinoy delicacy. Dito na siya. Ayan yung sago. Oh. Ay, nanan ako ng sapin-sapin tsaka kasabake. Kainan naman ako niyan. Ito, ano lang to? Bola-bola. Ano yung bola-bola? Bilo-bilo nga. But in English, what? Bilo-bilo is circle. So it's circle. Are you gonna eat this? No. Say yes or no. So they know who is talking. You have to say no.
No.
You have to say yes, though.
No.
You'll try the ball.
No. Too sweet for me.
No, this doesn't have any sweetness. No sugar.
It's got sugar.
The rest, only this.
Okay, I'll try. I'll think about it.
So this is from malagkit or sticky. Glutinous sticky. Alright, I'll show you the output later. Ito yung aming sagol. Sahog. Or other ingredients. So ito yung saba na saging. Yan yung sago. Yun yung saba. I'm gonna have the cassava cake from my sis. It's my afternoon snacks. Mag 3 o'clock na rin, no?
The rest of this we can make a bowl. Because I'm pretty sure that's not enough if you get 3 cups.
It's my binti. It's very hot.
Ito ang purpose, but hindi ko inabos.
Gagawa din kami ng palitaw after the bilo-bilo. Hey guys, it's time to drop the balls, the below. Bakit ganyan? Bakit parang yung tang commercial? Paano ba? Oh my gosh. Sorry, I think I have to. Hirap pala nito. Masarap pa naman to. First time ko to nag-assist ng bilo-bilo making. So cute. Gumawa na kami ng palitaw. Ayan, ganyan pala. Para siyang tongues. Parang bigger version ng bilo-bilo, pero and then i-flatten mo. Yun lang naman. Ito yung update ng bilo-bilo. Update. Pag mag-start daw na lilitaw siya, ready na. Naku, ang mahal dito guys kung bibilhin ko to sa Filipino mga Filipino groups. Mayroon kasi ditong group na nagbebenta ng mga ganito. Yung $12 yung isang container, yung nilagyan ng cassava cake, yun, 12 na yun. Lumitaw na yung bilo-bilo, pero hindi ito palitaw. Bilo-bilo ilang ito. Ay, nako. Ang cute. Lumitaw na siya. Yung palitaw dito. Soon. To be constructed pa. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and I have no plans today going outside. I will just stay at home and have my breakfast, do the laundry, and then finish off my room. That's the backyard with the curtain. Nice yung curtain. Simple lang yan. Yan yung ganap muna dito. Ayusin ko pa to. I'm gonna put that aside. And then, yun yung, I'm gonna finish my room. And the lounge room upstairs. Okay, for my breakfast, I fried ham. Ganito yung gusto ko sa ham, yung malutong. Ganito lang ginawa ko, guys. I put a bit of butter. Then now I'm gonna put the ham. Oh. Dalawa lang. And now I'm gonna put the egg with tomatoes on top. Okay, ayusin ko na lang. So, ito na siya. This is my coffee. Instant coffee lang. Kasi box naman to eh. And my soy milk. Oh no. Let's eat na. I'm going to the computer room. I had my breakfast and I'm making my son scrambled eggs, putting pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and this everything about eggs. Ito na siya. And I'm also making him hot chocolate. I'll just refill it up with fresh milk. Oh, Mikael, get it from here. Guys, do you see what I see? What a mess. Messy na naman yung aking top lounge kasi tinambakan na naman ni hubby. This is now the reality, guys. Nalungkat ko na yung 3 boxes of shoes. Yan, i-keep ko yan. Yung boots. And these heels. Ay nako. And the sneakers. Meron pang naka-pouch. And ito yung ibigay ko kung may gusto nito. 1 box. My sneakers and John. And to think, may ano na ako dito, no? May nailagay na dito. At puno na yung isa. Maybe half of it yung covered. To do something now with these. Guys, gabi na, 5:30 na. At di ko pa rin tapos. Actually, natapos ko na yung dapat ilagay ko dito. Oh. And then, yan yung boots ko doon. Sneakers, ito yung heels. At dito rin. Oh. Tapos na, yan yung extra. Ibenta ko na lang yan kasi hindi yan, once lang yan nagamit. Pero may isang box ako na ibigay. Yan, labhan ko yan. Gusto ko pa naman yan. I mean, mag-i-brush ko or ilagay ko sa washing machine. Whatever, but I have to clean this now. Dito ako sa mall, guys. Yung local mall. Kumuha lang ako ng soy mocha. Kasi may appointment ako sa dental clinic pero kinancel nila. Pinuntahan ko na lang si hubby. Sinabahan ko si hubby kasi may appointment siya sa eye. sa optometrist, magkuha siya ng eyeglasses. Tingnan nyo dito, maganda yung ano. Look at this. Oh, so cute, no? And that one, nice. Good for the weather. Good for the season we have right now. Ito na lang muna ako. Hey guys, nasa bahay na ako ulit. And I'm showing you yung mga bears ko. Para akong little kid. I have these long time ago. Hinugasan ko sila kasi nakatambak lang to sa box. And so I'm gonna put them in the right places. Gonna put it there on that glass cabinet. Okay, let's do it. It's a little tour of my glass cabinet. I accumulated this for a number of years. So ito na guys yung mga bears ko. Look at what Jace did. He made the iRobot work. So did you register this Jace? Set it up through app? Huh? Okay. He's a little tech. Nobody can do this. We had this for 3 weeks pero hindi namin na-turn on kasi busy kami. Si Jace lang yung nagpa-turn on. Yeah, we do that every Wednesday. You program it, okay?
I already did.
Okay, good.
7 p.m.
Where is he? So it's iRobot. The first was this one? Roomba. Yeah, that's the first robot vacuum. The first brand who created it. Okay, let's go. Look guys, my dalawa pang huge Samsonite suitcases. Puro clothes ko daw ito, sabi ni Habi. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam anong gawin ko. Saan ko to sila ilagay? Oo nga. Oh. Ito pa. Bili na lang yata ako ng another dresser or a low boy or tall boy chest drawers. So let's see. Mag-online shopping muna tayo. Exciting naman, di ba? This is my walk-in wardrobe which is already fully loaded. Puno na kasi siya. Yeah, hindi ko na alam saan ko pa yun ilagay yung nasa suitcases. So, this is already full. So, I bought this from Temple & Webster. This is a tall boy with 4 drawers. But, it will leave their warehouse on the 12th of August. So, maghintay pa ako. So, it's this one. It's pretty naman, no? Diba? With a gold accent. I guess magkasya na yung mga natitira kong mga clothes. Especially the, you know, the tiny clothes. Okay. Little update of my closet. Hindi pa siya talaga natapos lahat. Nandito na yung mga malalaking boxes. Madami pa akong iso-sort out. Nilagay ko rin yung glass cabinet ko for my perfume here in my lounge room. And I've extended my sneaker area in there. Maganda yan pag walang mess dito. And then I remember I have so much hats, beanies, and gym clothes, which I don't know when will I use again. So, ilagay ko doon sa aking IKEA cabinet. Ito pa yung ski clothes at mga coats. So, I will make do in that last huge as suitcase. I have to sort out too. Ito ko na lang siya ilagay, guys, kasi yung bottom area ay puno na yan. And ito at least natapos na rin yan. Oh, dyan ko nilagay yung aking mga cosmetics, more cosmetics, skincare, and other, you know, pakikay. Okay. Meron pa pala akong 3 big boxes full of clothes. Kala ko nagbibiro lang si Habi na meron pa pala. Yun na nga. Ipamigay ko na lang yung iba ko. Diyan na yan. Oh. 3 bags full. If-fill ko yan. And then ito, sort out ko pa. Hey guys, tapos ko nang i-sort out itong 2 boxes. Actually, the 3rd box has all the, like this, the linen and fur curtains. So some of them I put in my walk-in closet and some here. Ito, I will still wear it one day. And dito ibinalik ko sa aking Samsonite, the blue one, the New York Samsonite. Because, as you know, I've ordered a tall boy. Kaya wala pa akong mapaglagyan. Pero kung nandito na, doon ko yun ilagay. And I have 3 bags here. Actually 4th. Yung nasa couch on top na ipamigay ko. So ito na yung kinalalabasan ng aking shoe cabinets. So my niece styled ways to para na akong nagbibenta ng mga sneakers. I actually am planning to or thinking for a tour. I mean bag collection and shoe collection tour. Alright, that's it for now. Na yung pink wall ko, guys. I transferred the perfume cabinet dito sa aking pink featured wall sa aking lounge room. And the rest of the sneakers, yung hindi ko nilagay sa glass cabinet, nandito rin. So my niece, she styled it and it really looks cool. Hindi ko ito naisip. I've changed the perfumes arrangement here too. So these are for hubby. His collection, perfume collection and aftershave. So here is mine. My one starts here. As I mentioned, my favorites are Coco Mademoiselle, Gucci Bloom, and Jo Malone. This cute one here is Miss Dior. My friend gave it to me. Oh, so sweet. And here is another level of my perfumes. I used to love Anna Sui. That's why dalawa yung Anna Sui ko. And look at this, guys. So pretty. Just a trinket. And this one is a perfume bottle. Bigayan ng sister ko when she went to New York. She got it from Blow Glass Factory. Next one is where my colognes used to be. Tinanggal ko lang, nilagay ko siya sa aking ensuite mirror cabinet. And these ones here are my fashion watches and bracelets. Ginagamit ko lang pang pa-aura when I do outfits like OOTDs. And here naman is for my fashion accessories. Guys, this is my walk-in closet. So from here, up to here, and then I'll open this, move backward already. So from here, from this side up to here, ito yung suotin. Kasi yung the rest, a third or a quarter of this whole wardrobe, walk-in closet is for hubby. Dito yung aking, dito yung beanie. Ito yun. Pero marami pa ako doon sa labas. Inside my room. Tall boy. Dito lang to. Pag mag-ski kami. Pag mag-Blue Mountain. Ganyan. So, ito yung pleather rail, no? May pleather naman ito. Oh, ito. Ito? Oh, ito yung pleather. I bought before from H&M Studio. Ito na daw yung trend ngayon. Okay, at saka ito yung leopard din. Na-trend din siya on trend. Is this. So, does this look good? So, ito yung mga trending ngayon eh. Yung leopard print, saka yung pleather. Yung between leather and yung not real leather. It's called pleather.